Hello, I'm Billie Bourgeois with Compass, and I'd like to welcome you to 11085 Watkins Court. This property exudes charm, sophistication, and is fully a smart home. This home can be controlled from your phone. You can turn your Hue lights on, operate the pool, and the digital locks from anywhere in the world. Now that I have your attention, let's go dig in a little bit deeper. As you enter the beautiful custom doors to the formal living room and dining room, it boasts cathedral ceilings with ground crown molding, Hunter Douglas high-end blinds and plantation shutters throughout, 4.5-inch baseboards, crown molding throughout the entire home, and dual-zoned air conditioning. This home offers an abundance of natural light. Marble countertops in the kitchen with a center island. We have Viking kitchen appliances throughout and a sunny breakfast nook, plus a step-in pantry. There are alder wood cabinets throughout the entire home. We have them in the family room, through the kitchen, and also in the master. The ceramic tile flooring is heated in the kitchen, the downstairs full bath, and in the laundry room. We're offering 4 bedrooms with the master featuring a walk-in closet, a large soak tub, dual sink vanity, and views of the mountains. Plus, there's a retreat off of the master that could be converted to a 5th bedroom. 1 bedroom is currently being used as an office on the 1st floor and could easily be converted back. This beautiful, tranquil backyard has a rock finish pool with waterfall and spa. Please give me a call for a private tour.